Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and well. Today we will learn about amazing nature. Do you know what is nature? Nature means the things which are surrounding us like the sun, the moon, stars, trees, grass, fruits, flowers, animals, birds, pond, river, mountains, etc.
Let's learn about all this. The sun, the moon, stars, birds, animals, fruits,
Now let's learn about day and night. During daytime there is lots of light of the sun, so we can see everything very clear. When the sun is in the sky, this is called day. During night time the moon and stars are in the sky and the sky become very dark. This is called night.
Look at this picture. There are so many things which we can see very clear because it is daytime picture. During daytime you can see the sun, birds, animals and children are playing. And look at this picture. There is the moon in the sky and so many stars you can see in the sky. This is nighttime picture. During nighttime everything is very dark and you cannot see all things very clearly. In this picture you can see that birds are not flying during night. Trees and pond also looks very dark. In this picture, you can also see an owl. You know, children, owl does not sleep in the night. It sleeps in the daytime because owl cannot see in the daytime. It can only see in night time. So, that is why owl stays awake at night. So, this is a nighttime picture.
Okay, now let's talk about what do you do in the daytime and what do you do in the night time. You wake up in the morning, you go to school in the morning, so many more things you do during daytime. And in the night time, you pray to God and go to bed. And you can see the moon and star in the sky during night time. You can observe all these things with your parents. To learn it in better way, let's sing a song related to the topic.
Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I like to play. I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball, I bounce my ball on each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day, with my kite I like to play. I fly my kite, I fly my kite, I fly my kite on each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day, with my doll I like to play. I rock my doll, I rock my doll, I rock my doll on each fine day. Out in the garden each fine day.
You enjoyed the song? Yes. Okay, let's clap, 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 clap. Yay! Hope you enjoyed learning about amazing nature and day and night. See you in the next session. Bye bye children. Till then, take care of yourself.